god, it's starting to grow. I can't see my dick, I can't touch my toes. Have a gut bucket belly, I'm embarrassed to show. And I'm over 40, but I guess you know I'm old and fat, it's an overhanging mass. It's my midlife spread, which will grow till I'm dead. You say that I'm cuddly, well stick it up your arse. I'm a fat lardy gut face and it's gone too far. I look like shit and I smell quite a bit. When you see me eating, it will make you sick. I wibble when I walk and I dribble when I talk, and my clothes don't fit me, just sweats and shorts. My Klingons are bad as I can't clean my ass, and there's cheese round my knob and my feet smell bad. I can't scratch, I can't wipe, I can't reach, I can't fuck, but I can clean my ass with a toilet brush. I got spunk stains aplenty, piss marks are many, and a rather strange thing growing round my belly. I fart all the time and mine do smell bad. My breath is even worse, come and kiss me, bah. One more pie and one more pint, sausages and chips and breakfast is why. A Mars bar or two, a Big Mac go large. Look at the size of my fucking arse. Vegging out all day is the only way. Power naps and TV is nice, I hear you say. I can't walk, so a wheelchair I bought. Problem solved, benefits all round, but now I'm laying down at 600 pounds. I can't breathe, I can't cope, I'm starting to choke. It doesn't really matter, fish dipped in batter, hot chestnuts hanging off my knackers. Think I'm about done now, I've had my fun. It's time to pay with my life, I hear you say, but just a little favour before I go. I've got this fucking itch between my toes. Hey!